Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are showcasing 3 advanced automated welding solutions designed to improve accuracy, consistency in modern fabrication. These machines are built to handle different welding requirements from straight and circular welds to dual welding and advanced weaving automation. Let's start with the first machine. This is the flexible welding carriage. As the name suggests, this machine is designed for maximum flexibility in welding operations. It can easily handle straight welding, circular welding, and even overhead welding. Making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The carriage moves smoothly along the workpiece, maintaining consistent travel speed, which is critical for achieving uniform weld beads and proper penetration. Because of its flexible design, this welding carriage is ideal for pipe welding, curved surfaces, and complex welding paths. It significantly reduces manual effort and ensures repeatable weld quality even during long welding runs. Now let's move to the second machine. This is the automated dual welding system designed for high productivity and speed. This system features dual welding torches, allowing two welds to be performed simultaneously. By welding both sides of parallel seams at the same time, this machine can deliver up to 3 times higher productivity compared to single torch welding. The synchronized movement of both torches ensures uniform heat input and consistent weld quality across both seams. This makes the dual welding system an excellent choice for applications where speed, efficiency, and high output are critical. Such as heavy fabrication, long seam welding, and structural components. With automation handling the welding process, operator fatigue is reduced, rework is minimized, and overall production efficiency increases significantly. Now let's take a look at the third and most advanced machine in this setup. This machine takes welding automation to the next level. In addition to straight line welding, it features an advanced weaving function which allows the torch to oscillate side to side during welding. This weaving motion improves speed with control, sidewall fusion, and overall weld strength. This smart control system allows precise adjustment of welding speed, weaving width, oscillation speed, and post time. This makes it ideal for wide joints, fillet welds. This makes it ideal for wide joints, fillet welds, and applications where consistent weld penetration is essential. Because of its intelligent design, this welding carriage delivers clean, uniform, and professional quality welds with minimal manual intervention. It is especially suitable for structural welding, heavy plates, and critical welding applications where quality cannot be compromised. When we look at all three machines together, each one serves a specific purpose. The flexible welding carriage offers adaptability for complex and curved welding paths. The automated dual welding system focuses on speed and high volume production. And the smart welding carriage with weaving delivers precision and superior weld quality through advanced automation. Together, these machines represents a complete automated welding solution for modern fabrication industries. They help in to reduce manual effort, improve safety, increase productivity, and ensure consistent weld quality across different applications. Whether your requirement is flexibility, speed, or precision, automated welding technology provides the right solution. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for more information, you can visit our site www.cruxweld.com.